Hey internet, it's Avalon. So in my last video, I called out Essay to see if he'll show up. So the riddle was meet me where the waterfalls meets the road. And I guess it's not that much of a riddle, but you see you got the waterfall here, and you got the road over there. But it didn't seem like it worked. Also, the 1600 clock reference, when your clock's broken, 1600 is like military standard time. So I was looking for 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, and since he likes riddles so much, it wasn't that hard of a riddle. But it doesn't seem like he showed up. What the hell? Essay, is that you? There's no one in the tunnel. I have some pretty good night vision, and I had to walk through there, so my eyes are already adjusted. There's no one. Hello? Hey, who's ever doing that? Come out, show yourself. God, this is getting creepier by the moment. I guess it was just a bat. Well, I'm heading back. Screw this, guys. No prom for me. But I don't think that's the end of this. I think Essay's just beginning. I guess I'll talk to you when I get another clue, or when I get the guts to call him out again. Bye.